Here is a list of important tips for building a sustainable tiny house on wheels with a beautiful flower garden, blue exterior for an attractive look, and a chimney for heating. And the first aspect is about choosing sustainable and lightweight structure. And the first point of it is about we have to use recycle, reclaim, and or sustainability source materials like FSC or certified wood, recycled materials, or bamboo. And then for the next point, it's about the opt for lightweight insulation such as shape wool, cork, or spray foam for better mobility and thermal efficiency. Then for the next point is about built on a legal trailer base that suits your country's road and transport regulation. Then for the next aspect is about the design with a blue exterior for an attractive look. Then for the first point of it is about choose shades of blue that match your vibe, sky blue for a cheerful look and navy for more elegant tone. And then for the next point is combine with white, beige or natural wood trims for visual balance and charm. Then for the next point of it is about use eco-friendly weather-resistant paint to ensure longevity and reduce environmental impact. Then for the next aspect is about create a flower garden that complements your tiny house. And then for the first point of it is about use pollinator-friendly plants or lavender, daisies, marigolds, and to attract bees and butterflies. Then for the next point is of it is about incorporate vertical planters, hanging baskets, and rail planters to maximize space. Then for the next point is install a rainwater collection system with drip irrigation for eco-conscious gardening. Then for the next aspect of it is about install a chimney and eco-friendly heating. Then for the first point is we can choose a small EPA certified wood burning stove or a bioethanol fireplace for sustainable heating. Then for the next point is install a chimney with proper insulation and spark arrestor for safety and efficiency. Then we can ensure proper ventilation and air circulation to maintain indoor air quality. Then for the fifth aspect is about maximize energy efficiency. Then for the first point of it is um, we can install solar panels on the roof or nearby and use LED lighting throughout. Then for the next point is choose energy efficient appliance. For example, 12-volt fridge induction stove. Then we can use double glass window to keep heat in during winter and out during summer. Then for the next aspect is about make the surroundings eco-friendly. Then for the first point of it is build a small patio or deck using reclaimed wood. Then we can use native plants in your garden to minimize water usage and care. Then we can add compost bins or a worm farm to recycle organic waste. Then for the seventh aspect of it is about think mobile but anchor in nature. And we can choose spot to park your tiny house on wheels that support off-grid living, access to clean water, sunshine, and waste disposal. Then we can design your outdoor garden in movable planters or modular beds if you plan relocate.